Relating slope and y-intercept to linear equations worksheet. Questions 11 through 16. I'm not really going to help you with 11 through 12. I already did 5 through 10, and the problems are done the exact same way. If it's a slanted line, find your m and b first, and then write your equation in the form of y equals mx plus b. The only thing I'm going to help you with is drawing your lines for your rise and your run. Okay? I will tell you to put b equals here, and then you have to find the number. And then for your slope, you're going to go down 1 and over 1. So I am going to help you a little bit with this slope. So this is down 1 and over 1. So for number 11, your slope is -1 over 1, which is just -1. The rest you're on your own. For number 12, this is a vertical line. Vertical lines only cross the x-axis. So you need to determine where that crosses the x-axis, and whatever that number is, that will be your answer to number 12. So number 12 is just going to be x equals a number. By the way, number 11 is going to look like this. Number 13, that point will be your y-intercept. That would be for your rise, and that would be for your run. Again, you're on your own there. So you're going to have to find your own slope, your own y-intercept, and you're going to write your equation for number 13 in the form of y equals mx plus b. Okay. Number 14. Oops. Number 14. Notice how your y-intercept is at the origin. The origin is 0. So my y-intercept for number 14 is 0. My slope goes up 1 over 1. So a rise of 1, a run of 1. Rise is 1, run is 1. Well, 1 over 1 reduces to just 1. So now, if I was going to write my equation, y equals 1x plus 0. Well, you don't put plus 0 at the end. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of that plus 0. And technically, this 1 here, you don't need it. So I'm going to put it in a different color. So your answer could be y equals 1x. I'll move it a little closer so I have enough room. Or it could just be y equals x. If you put y equals 1x, I would accept that answer. Okay, 15. Here is your y-intercept. You have to decide what that is. Now notice I came down here and I put the points on here. The only reason I did that is because the 15's in the way there, all of this is in the way there. So I put the 2 points down here where I have more space. Now the line is going downward, which means my slope will be negative. I go downward and then to the right. So this is down 1, 2, 3. So this would be -3. My run is 1, 2. So my rise is -3, my run is 2. My rise is -3, my run is 2. So for 15, I've got, make it a little bit bigger here, I got -3 over 2. And again, you have to come up with the y-intercept on your own, and your equation will be of the form y equals mx plus b. Okay. For number 16, right here is my y-intercept. What is my y-intercept? Well, it goes down how many? Now remember, it's going down 3, so this is going to be -3. And then this would be my rise. This would be my run. So my rise goes down 1, 2, 3. And my run is 2. Notice how, get a different color here, notice how they have the same slope. Notice how 15 and 16 have the same slope. We'll look at those lines. Those lines are what we call parallel lines. Parallel lines have equal slopes. Parallel lines have equal slopes. So my equation for number 16 is y equals -3 over 2x minus 3. And that is it for questions 11 through 16. I know there's several there that you had to do on your own, but it is a worksheet for you to do. So, excuse me. If you have any questions on this worksheet, please do not hesitate to ask.